Hunting on lakes that might not contain any birds, part 1. As always, don't bother asking for the name of this lake, put in the work, and find your own hidden gems. In Minnesota, it is early goose season, and that is what I'm targeting today. After about an hour of sitting still, without hearing a thing, this flock of geese flew over. Unfortunately, that was the only thing I saw, and they had no interest in my decoy spread. Stay tuned for part 2. Follow for more.